Huge day in crypto. Bitcoin hits at 64,000 before crashing. Coinbase had a small glitch that happened where a lot of their customers couldn't see their balances, which caused the price to reduce back down to 60,000. But now it's back up. It's currently 8 p.m. on Wednesday, February 28th, and Bitcoin is at 62,000. Like I said, it hit 64,000. Then Coinbase had a glitch. It went down to 60,000. Now it's on its way to going back up. Now, we started the week off around 51,000 on Sunday and Monday for Bitcoin. Bitcoin price was at 51,000 starting the week. Then it went to 55,000, 57,000 on Tuesday. Then we hit 58. Then we hit 60,000 today. Then it skyrocketed to 64,000 before it went down after the Coinbase debacle, right? But Coinbase is back online. It wasn't just Coinbase, it was a few other exchanges, but it's back online. But what we're seeing huge amount of demand and a lot of money coming in from ETFs. So today, ETFs hit a record high of 7-point-something billion in inflows today, right? So it just shows you the demand for these ETFs are flowing into this space. And BlackRock alone did like 3.3 billion. Like I said, BlackRock has $7 trillion in assets, right? And these money is continuing to flowing. This is it's like 5 to 6 million Bitcoin being bought every day from these ETFs, and it keeps increasing. And I'm telling you guys, man, this is only the start. So if these big time and institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, all these guys have trillions of assets, right? Why would you want to be selling Bitcoin now? Last time when Bitcoin hit 69,000 over 2 years ago, nobody like BlackRock or any of these financial institutions were involved in buying this Bitcoin. It was all retail investors, all like regular people like me and you, right? Now you have these big, huge Wall Street gates of money flowing into this space, and people are talking about selling already. Yeah, you must not have done your homework, right? Look at the stats. Look at the statistics, right? It's 10 to 12 amount of demand for crypto than is actually being sold, right? So what they putting on the market is 10 to 12 times more demand than what's actually being put on the market. And then you have halving coming up here in April. It's supposed to happen on April 20th, but it looks like it's getting closer to early April now due to the many blocks is getting made. So it could be early April now, right? And when that happens, we already know the demand is going to increase more because the supply is going to reduce because miners are going to be given half the amount they was given to do a block once it start halving, right? And everybody knows like when halving starts, it does 3x. This is going too fast for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going extremely fast. Nobody thought, I mean, I knew it was going to go up, but I didn't know it was going to go up this fast. But I knew the demand from ETFs. I knew it could push it to different heights that we never seen before, but I didn't think it would go this fast, to be honest, right? We have a whole another month or two before halving happens. We'll probably be at 70,000. We was approaching all-time highs today. And on Wednesday, until Coinbase, until the exchanges had these issues. So tomorrow, we could possibly hit a new all-time high, right? So for these people that's asking the question, like, when should I buy? Like, look at what's going on. Look at the amount of money pouring into this space. Look at how many Bitcoins can be mined, right? It's only 21 million, right? And we're already at the 19 million mark, around the 19 million mark. So why would you sell? These investors are buying up everything on the market right now. Like, wait for the drop to hit. Like, y'all not even waiting for the drop. Y'all selling too early. When the drop hit, you can sell for way 10 times more than that. So it's too early to buy, man. It's too early to sell. You have a huge demand right now. We're in the midst of a bull market. It's just now getting started up. Halving's around the corner. Financial investors are falling more into this space. It's not time to sell yet. You can sell all you want. If you're happy with this little amount, cool. Just when it goes parabolic, like it's going right now, later in the future, don't say anything, right? So if you're asking me, I think now is a great time to just continue to buy, wait and see what these ETFs going to do. We have potential XRP ETF coming. We got a potential Ethereum ETF coming. Like, now is not the time, man. We're just getting started. We just had a 2-year bear market. Like, we should have got this sign this week when I posted about that investor, that whale buying 1.2 billion in Bitcoin. We should have knew something was coming. After that purchase, man, we just been taking off ever since, right? So you gotta look at these type of wallets, man. Look at who's buying these investments, because this is giving us telltale signs as to what's going to happen. And we're seeing it taking place now, man. Like I said, like, shout out to everybody that listened, that follow the page, and who's been watching our content and learning and listening. Like, a lot of moves are being made right now in the AI sector of crypto. A lot are going into the gaming, right? A lot are still going into these DJing coins, these meme coins. For Solana, you know, I think Win was up 45%, you know, today. Solana is still up around 9-10% today. Like, everybody knows we want Bitcoin to go up. I don't care if you only buy altcoins, right? Everybody wants Bitcoin to go up because everybody knows once Bitcoin go up, all the altcoins follow, or all the good ones anyway. If you're in the bad altcoin, you're just gonna be SOL. But for the majority of part, when Bitcoin goes up, it brings the whole market up. So everybody roots for Bitcoin, right? And we're seeing this today. We're seeing the FOMO, man, and the amount of money they're pouring into it from the ETFs. And I told you guys before, man, ETFs alone was going to push this price up. I told you guys back in November when I made videos about it, about how much money can pour in just from the potential of Wall Street coming in with these ETFs that can 7x the price of crypto. And we're starting to see early signs of it, man. Like, I think we're just getting started. I think right now, crypto market has just hit the $2 trillion market. Bitcoin itself is over $1 trillion. And I think they can easily 2x that $1 trillion market within the next 12 months to 16 months. And that's just from looking at what's going on with demand, what's going on with halving. Everybody know after halving, it's normally like at least a 3x is going to happen. I think last halving was 6x, but, you know, prices are a little more higher, at least 3x, you know? So, yeah, man, I think you guys should just do your homework on, you know, the demand, how much Bitcoin in circulation, how many people is buying per day, and just go from there as far as when you want to buy and sell. I think everybody just trying to go off their past experience with crypto, you know, because a lot of people, once they hit 69,000, it crashed. So everybody's still going off that past action of that past experience of what happened. But really, we're not in that space no more, man. We're not in that space no more. We have Wall Street. We have big time investors like BlackRock invested, okay? The money is there. It's giving the crypto market more support, right? They're going to bring their little games with them too, which I don't like. But, you know, they're going to bring more stability, I think, to the crypto space. But they also going to bring some of their little, you know, sprinkle of crap in there too. So you got to take the good with the bad. But nonetheless, we are at a different time, man. Like, not too many countries are even invested in crypto right now. So you got to just realize we still at the early stage. Like, Bitcoin is going to easily be worth millions of dollars, man. The dollar is dying. We seeing that. We seeing inflation roars ugly here. A lot of investors are starting to wake up and see that Bitcoin and crypto is the answer to inflation. So, you know, we got a lot of people out here struggling, man. If y'all keep doing the same thing, expecting different results, you know, y'all might as well plead insanity. This is what's going to help us, especially people in my community. Y'all need to listen. Like, this is what's going to help us. Don't take my word for it. Look into it. You know, let it earn your trust. Put a couple dollars in there and see what it does, man. You have nothing to lose. You're already getting paid in a dying dollar, right? Crypto is roaring its head, and this is a bull run. It's taking off, and I don't see anything slowing us down, man. I don't see any more SEC cases slowing us down. They already did the damage. SEC, Warren, Jalen Warren. You even got Warren Buffett. He talking about he don't like crypto, but he's invested in all the companies that's buying crypto. So he's buying indirectly. Man, you gotta watch these people moves, man. You gotta watch their moves. But yeah, I think we're just now taking off. I think we're in a good space. And no, now not the time to sell. Jay with Organic Money.